Hey, what's up, y'all? Hope you're having a wonderful Sunday fun day. Just got a quick video here to let you know the Equip Expo is next week. They used to call it the GIE Expo. Now it's called the Equip. It's in Louisville, Kentucky. You have to say it that way, Louisville, over by there. And it's actually on Wednesday night. We have an event that is open to the public. It's called Yard Stock. It's a DIY first event. Of course, anybody that is at the Equip Expo, we would love it if you would come by. DIYers from the local area or anybody that wants to drive in, this is open to the public. It's going to be from 6:30 to 9:30 at Flying Axes. I'll put up all the deets over by there. It's going to be at Flying Axes, which is in downtown Louisville. We rented the whole place out. We're going to have a DJ, food, open bar. We're going to be throwing some axes. But the biggest thing is going to be all night. It's all about you, giving back to you. I've got sponsors for this, including Ecologel, Greene County, Fertilizer, MySoil, and our newest partners, Turf Care Supply, all sponsoring. And what we're doing is we're taking all of this and putting it back in for a wonderful fun time and a party for you. We're going to have a lot of other of your friends there, influencers that are also going to be at the Equip. They'll be coming by. But really, let's talk about the prizes that we're giving away. So to me, the most exciting thing about it is the first 50 people through the door, you will get one of these t-shirts for the event. These are limited edition. When these are gone, they're gone. I think these are really cool. We got a really nice tri-blend. Feels so soft. You're going to love it. But first 50 people through the door, so get there early. Remember, starts at 6:30. Then throughout the night, we're going to have all kinds of raffles going on. So everybody that comes through, including the people that get the t-shirts, you're going to get a raffle ticket. Look at these nice Yeti mugs. I don't know how many of these we got to give away, 15 or 20 just in raffles. And then, of course, all of our sponsors are bringing things too. Each of them is going to bring something from their repertoire that we'll be raffling off. And then the biggest prizes of the night, we're going to a place that they do axe throwing, which I'm terrible at. I'll be honest with you, I don't think I've ever stuck an axe. Ever. Even back in my college days when I was really good at sticking things, I never actually stuck an axe. So the idea here is we're going to have 2 different competitions, well 3. And for those competitions, anyone that's there can enter, and we're going to have some big time prizes from Ego, including a full setup with a walk behind mower, a blower, and a string trimmer. Play a game at the axe throw and you can win that. And then a zero turn. That's right, an Ego Z6 52-inch battery-powered zero-turn, very much like the one I have. I have the 42-inch, but cuts amazing. So we're going to have that on display, and then somebody will walk away with that. Well, let me say this. I hope whoever wins it doesn't live in California, because I'm going to plan on driving it to your house like the next day. So we'll just see how that works out. But either way, somebody's going to win a zero server. So lots of stuff going on. Just come out, hang out, have a good time. 6:30 to 9:30. Flying Axes, Louisville, Kentucky. Next week, Wednesday, during the Equip, of course, at night. Hope to see you guys there. I'm Alan Hain, the Lawn Care Nut. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you at the Flying Axes.